Cat Tima doesn't want to sit on the window the whole day. The thing is that when it's beautiful outside, spring or summer, he wants to stay out all the time, but they don't let him to. That is why he doesn't want to be jealous. He keeps his spirit joyful and remembers beautiful pictures, wonderful episodes, because he was involved, he was invited. He is happy to be a part of this entertainment. He remembers all summer adventures. He was taken to these places. The family didn't mind to have extra expenses for a cat because cats deserve it. And when one wants to take a cat home, he should think about extra expenses and feel happy about it. Feel his generosity and know that he makes somebody else happy. At least Tima is happy.